Welcome to the Yum Yum Yogi. Today we will be making 3 different kinds of plant-powered yogurts. There are no animal products in these yogurts. But before we start, let's meditate on this thought. Because I take support from the One, I soar through challenges with strong wings. The first one we will be doing is with soy milk. Take 2 cups of soy milk, and I'm using Eden Soy brand soy milk. It has 12 grams of protein per cup, and it's the easiest to make and very creamy. Take 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I'm using a vegan yogurt as starter. You can also get vegan yogurt starter online. Mix these 2 thoroughly and keep it in a warm place. If you are not using a yogurt maker, the temperature of the room decides how long the yogurt will take to set. The warmer it is, the faster it sets. With about 90 degrees Fahrenheit, it takes about 8 to 10 hours. So if you live in a cold place, get a yogurt maker. And the next one we will be using with pea milk. I'm using Ripple brand pea milk. It has 8 grams of protein per cup. Take 2 cups of pea milk. Take 1/4 teaspoon xanthan gum, half a teaspoon of agar powder, both of which you should be able to get online or in a health food store. Mix thoroughly. And now take this mixture and bring to a boil. It just needs to bring to 1 boil, not more. After it comes to 1 boil, switch off the heat and let it cool. It should come to about slightly lukewarm, so about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Now to this, add 2 tablespoons starter. Mix thoroughly. Again, transfer it to a jar, put it in a warm place, and cover. I usually put it, because I live in Florida, I usually put it in the oven and it works fine. 8 to 10 hours. Now with almond buttermilk. So what I'm going to first do is make almond milk with almond butter. So take 2 tablespoons of protein powder. Because the almond butter doesn't have any protein, we need to have protein powder. And I'm using a neutral protein like pea protein. No sugar added to that. Now to that, add 1/8 teaspoon xanthan gum. So now for 2 cups of almond milk, you need about 1/4 cup of almond butter. And to that, add half a teaspoon of agar powder and mix thoroughly. And now, because we've added agar and xanthan, we have to bring it to a boil, the mixture. Just 1 boil again, switch it off, and then add, cool down to about 110 degrees Fahrenheit, and now add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, vegan yogurt. So for 1 cup of milk, I add 1 tablespoon of yogurt as starter. Transfer it to a jar. Keep it in a warm place, and after about 8 to 9 hours, yogurt is ready. So those are the 3 different kinds of yogurts. They're ready. Before we taste test these yogurts, let's remember our affirmation. Because I take support from the One, I soar through challenges with strong wings. All right, let's taste the soy milk first. Yum yum. I love the soy milk one. And now let's taste the pea milk one. This is really thick and nice. It's like the regular yogurt. It's really thick and nice. Oh. It's like a pudding. Nice. Now let's taste. Let's taste the almond milk one. It's all right. The best one, absolutely the best one, is the soy.